Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Kobi Arad and I want to discuss the new findings from Yale University regarding the quantum jumps and as they affect the idea of Schrodinger's cat. As you know, many of you, the experiment of Schrodinger's cat, say a few words about that, is that there's supposedly, according to that experiment, a cat inside a box, and we don't see anything about it, about the cat. We don't know its state. And only when we open the box is the information coming to us. And until that point, there is something that, until now in the physics, discusses superposition, which kind of keeps the cat both alive and not alive. So, but those two scientists called Dvoret and Minev from Yale University said that they could actually take the quantum jumps, or also known in physics as collapse of a wave function, and somehow both detect what those jumps are going to become and also reverse them. This has a lot of implications in science and also actually I would say engineering of reality. Why? Because when we look anywhere in reality, we see collapse of wave function. If I look to the left, if I look to the right, everything that I see is actually consciousness meeting reality. When my consciousness is seeing something, it collapses the wave functions that are, in a sense, just like standing there waiting to be viewed. Now, if we have a way now to view reality and actually detect what those atoms that we see are going to react like and actually reverse them, we could actually engineer reality in itself. For instance, if a person is, we want to find if he's diabetic or not, then sometimes there are machines that look inside his whatever, like inside his leg or something like that, to see if he's diabetic. So now, when that could have a lot of implications when we see, we look at those atoms, and we could actually engineer and not only predict but also reverse some of those findings regarding that person, so it could actually affect what you see if he's diabetic or not. So that's very, very interesting, and it actually not just in that way, but in any there could be also, it's a bit futuristic, but it could be machines could actually engineer reality, which means any atoms that come to us could be controlled and engineered, and jumps could be reversed, which means we could actually affect and influence the photons that comes to us from when they jump and reflect from objects. So this is very, very interesting information, and I was just wanting to discuss Schrodinger cat in conjunction or in congruence with the Yale scientists, and also its implications. So thank you very, very much for listening.